Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Coco. Welcome to my food prep. Let me share you my little knowledge about cooking. I always start my things by washing and cleaning and sanitizing all my mise en place before I proceed cooking. On this part, I will show you how to do a sanitizers. Of course, use hot water on making it. Right? So how do you know when your water is hot? So when your hand turns red, that might be hot already. Anyway, on this part, I'm still using the old school way of preparing my sanitizers by putting chlorine on my hot water bottle with 100 parts per million. I know there's some update about it, so let me know so that I can update my little knowledge too. So I suggest for you guys to use it all the time, especially for those people who's doing a sideline or like making food in your home and then sell it to people, right, as your hobby. So why not doing it properly too, right, for your own growth? Obviously, this is a home cooking prep. Technically, inside the professional kitchen, we have lots of different chopping boards, like yellow for chicken, green for vegetable, orange for fruits, white for ready-to-eat food, green for vegetables, red for the meat, beef, blue for the fish, etc, etc, etc. So literally in our home we only have one chopping board, so always remember to wash it oftenly each and every time you use it. For vegetable preparation, especially if you're buying organic product or like a farm product vegetables, wash it because it's really soiled, right? So always, run it with the cold water, wash it, soak it in water. Make sure that your vegetables are clean. And repeat the process of cleaning with soap, hot water, and sanitizer. Now the mise en place is done, so what we should do now is to try it, of course. The reason for this is to make sure that once you start serving it, you know what to do. Or at least you get familiarized what you gotta do once you get to the site. So your comments, your suggestions are valuable to me for my improvement and growth. So don't be shy to let me know if you see something wrong that I need to improve about this video, and how do I want to share my things. Just go with it, and then your voice are very important. Enjoy.